How to drastically change anyone or anything in 24 hours or less. Here's a step-by-step guide, and it's based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. You are co-creator of your reality. You have the power, the ability to change your reality, to change how people treat you. It's up to you. You are creator of your reality. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you that we're just about a month away. It's not that long from the winter solstice, and I will manifest for you. Join me and my entire manifesting team for 2 hours live on Zoom when we help manifest whatever it is you desire, as long as it's legal and doesn't hurt anyone. And we will help you have the best year of your life, 2025. I promise. Visit iwillmanifestforyou.com. Well, Neville says that everyone and everything in your reality is really a reflection of you. It's you pushed out. And that's what you're looking at. That's what you're experiencing in the 3D world. High flyers, this is one of the reasons why when tarot readers and psychics tell you this is your reality and this is how it is, I take it with a grain of salt. I had 6 people that are certified tarot readers and psychics tell me that Rachel and I would never be together. You see, here's what they don't understand. You have the ability, you're co-creator, and you have the power to change anyone, their behavior, their actions, how they treat you, or anything in your reality. What this means is that everything in your reality is a reflection at some level of your beliefs. And because it's your reality, you have the ability to change it anytime you want. You don't have to settle for the reality that you currently have. Look, when you complain about your reality, it actually gets worse. When you criticize the people in your reality for their behavior and how they treat you, it usually gets worse. So criticism and complaining are 2 things you want to avoid when it comes to shifting your reality, to changing anyone or anything in your reality. This means you have the ability to change how people treat you, how people react to you. You have the power to change conditions and circumstances. Everyone in your reality is a reflection of what you believe about them. Remember, according to Neville, they are the people in your reality you pushed out. So think about this. If the way people treat you, if the way reality is treating you is a reflection of your beliefs, here's the secret. Change your beliefs. If you change your beliefs, high flyers, your reality will begin to shift. Now, you can't just say an affirmation and then go back to your old beliefs. You can't just say, I'm going to change my beliefs and then go back to your old beliefs. And you can't complain, and you certainly can't criticize. In other words, what some people do is they will say, okay, I'm going to change my beliefs. But Robert, he's still acting the same way. He's still treating me bad. He's still lying to me. You see, that's your real belief. What you complain about and what you criticize is what you truly believe. And that's what you manifest. You have to change it on a core level. And that's what I'm going to teach you how to do in this video. So just to reemphasize this, high flyers, if you change your beliefs about the people you're interacting with, whether it's your SP, your boss, your family, friends, doesn't make any difference. If you change your beliefs about them, they will change too. If you change your beliefs about your circumstances will begin to change. It all comes down to your beliefs. So step 1, get a tablet and get a nice pen and begin to write down exactly what you believe, no matter how negative it is. Write it down. I believe that he's ghosting me and seeing a third party. I believe this, I believe that. Whatever you think you believe, write it down. Step 2, look at that belief and say, I cancel that belief. And then literally cross it out. I cancel that belief. It's no longer a belief. I cancel it. And sometimes when I get a negative thought that comes into my head, and maybe I'm driving down the highway or I'm busy doing something else, I'll just simply say, cancel that thought. Step 3, write down your new beliefs about that person. Write them down and then visualize it. And you don't have to do it for an hour or 2 hours. You can visualize for 2 minutes. Do it 3 times a day for 2 minutes and visualize that person or that circumstance changing and treating you the way you deserve and desire to be treated. And then create a simple present tense affirmation. My SP gives me all the attention I desire. My boss loves the work I do. Whatever it is, make it present tense and just one simple affirmation and say it on and off throughout the day. So the first thing you've done is you've written it down, you've visualized it, and then you've affirmed it. Now the next part of this is to be grateful. I am so grateful that I have a loving boss who is kind and generous. I'm so grateful that I have a great relationship with my specific person who calls me and treats me and wants me and needs me. Get in that state of gratitude where you just feel so happy and so wonderful. Remember, Neville says that feeling is the secret. So feel it. Now, step 4 is something that I've added that it wasn't perhaps available to Neville, but it certainly fits with the concept. And so every night, sometime in the evening, I sit down for a few moments and I look at pictures of those people that I may be having disagreements with. Maybe we're not even talking. And then I close my eyes for a moment and I say these words. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I send you healing and light. That is Ho'oponopono, the ancient Hawaiian prayer. And so I just codify everything that I've done throughout the day with that simple prayer in the evening. High flyers, this is your reality. You have the power to change it. You have the power to make your reality whatever you desire to be. And what you believe about the people in your reality will become your reality. Use your imagination. Remember, 2 minutes, 3 times a day. And if you do this in 24 hours, I believe you'll start to see change. Come back here, mark this video, come back and share it with everyone. Inspire others. That's what I love about doing this. I love to inspire others. There are fathers and sons who haven't talked to each other in years. There are people who love each other that haven't talked to each other. There are a number of personal circumstances that people have gone through and are going through, and you can change it. And you can create a bridge rather than a barrier. Remember, you got to stay away from criticizing, and you got to stay away from complaining. High flyers, 2025 is right around the corner, and I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can do for your life, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on. Look, it's all yours. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. But don't delay, because I believe that you have the power to make 2025 a year of abundance, a year of love, a year of prosperity, health, and happiness. I believe that. I hope this next video helps you as well.